Hello, outlaws and hello, campers. Fucking birds. Before the sun set firmly in the west, this happened. It's worth drinking to. What's going on with all these birds? Jesus. Pretty cool sunset, though. Yeah, holy shit.
This is the end of times, basically.
Yeah, I think we all gonna die. These birds.
7 inches in Wilmington. That means we're all gonna die.
It's like fucking bird flu. Insanity.
Look at that chick. Dude, look at that chick.
This is insane. Where are they all coming from? Oh, there's more of them over there.
I've never seen so many birds in my life.
Neither have I.
Just look at over there.
Holy shit.
These aren't drones.
God, we're not in New Jersey. Wow. Nice sunset. Fucking crazy. Holy shit.
Oh my God.
Jesus, what the fuck, man? Oh.
Holy shit.
Well, just in case I die, this is posted posthumously. Tell your friends and tell your enemies. It's Outlaw Camp. Cold beer. No extradition.
No extradition.
Expatriates are always welcome.
Expatriates are always welcome.
Apparently, so are the birds. Hit that subscribe button. It don't cost nothing.